Think about what life skills you have. What are some of your past experiences? So, again, as a teacher, how could I carry forward all of the skills and talents that I had into what it was that I needed to be doing or wanted to be doing, or, was in some cases forced or pushed? I didn't want to learn social media marketing, to be honest. And then look, it turns out that I'm pretty good at it. So I discovered a bunch of hidden talents that I didn't know that I had. That's how you acquire skills as well, right? And then what kind of space are you leaving yourself to be innovative? I all the time am thinking about, how can I do it different? How can I be more unique? How can I, not necessarily how can I stand out more, but how can I attract the type of clients that I prefer to work with? And so those are all the types of questions that you want to answer for yourself in preparation for creating your business model.